To install the snapADDY data quality solution, simply go to our website, snapADDY.com, go to Products, and then Downloads. Data quality will already be selected. Scroll down and choose the appropriate browser or Outlook. Remember, if you're installing it for Edge, you'll have to be using an Edge browser. If you're already a registered user, simply log in. And once logged in, you'll have the option on the right side to download data quality. Again, choose the appropriate browser or Outlook. In my case, I will be getting it for Chrome. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken straight to the Chrome Web Store, and here you can add the extension. Once the app is installed, you might have to go to the puzzle icon for your extensions and click the pin button next to data quality so that the icon shows up here on the top right. The exact same also applies in Microsoft Edge. We're taken to the Microsoft Edge add-ons store. We can click on Get and add the extension. And once it's installed, it will show up directly in your extensions bar.